and 3 cos 45 sec 30 plus cosec 30. Any question? Question number 3, cos 45. Question number 1 to solve. 3 cos 45 sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45 1 upon root 2 cos 45 and upon sec 30 2 upon root 3 plus cosec 30 2 upon 1 upon root 2 upon 3 LCM 3 2 plus 2 root 3. Any doubt? Multiplication. This method 1 3 1 root 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Doubt? Root 3 2 plus 2 root 3. Multiplication. Root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 2 3 into 2 6 2 root 6. Any doubt? Yes, this method. Toss up and down 2 root 2 subtraction 2 root 6 on same. This method plus second subtraction 2 root 2 subtraction 2 root 6. Any doubt? Equal multiplication root 3 2 root 2 subtraction 2 root 6 upon formula a plus b a subtraction b equal a square subtraction b square. Any a b a 2 root 2 whole square subtraction 2 root 6 square. Doubt? 3 2 root 2 root 6. Any but same type and 2 square 4 2 square 4 into 6. 3 multiplication 2 root 6 and 3 multiplication 18 2 root 18 upon 4 into 2 8 4 6 24 equal this common subtraction 2 and then 6 plus 18 upon subtraction. Any doubt? Plus 8 6 plus 18 solve 3 square 2 3 square 9 3 square 3 to 9 into 2 3 4 8. Okay? Yeah, and this is method 3 root 2 plus root 6 upon 8 answer. Any doubt? Cos 45 sec 30 plus cosec 30. Cos 45 this value. Cos 45 this value. This put here. Sec 30 cosec 30. Anyway, this solve. Answer. Anyway, doubt. Number 4. Sin 30. Number 4. Then question number 4. Sin 30. Put the value sin 30 1 upon 2. Sin 30 1 upon 2 plus 10 45 1. Subsection cosec 60 2 upon 3 upon sec 30 2 upon root 3 plus cos 60 1 upon 2 cot 45 1. Anyway, down 1 that value solve. This total value solve. Sum on this LCM 3 2 1 2 root 3 2 2 3 plus 2 root 3 4 2 root 3 upon root 3 2 only upon 3 2 1 2 root 3 upon 3 4 2 3 plus 3 2 root 3. Only this equation is half. Again cross. And the first upon data cross. And 3 plus 2 root 3 subsection 4 upon 4 plus 3 2 root 3 equal 2 plus 1 not divide this value only 1 is the height 1 plus 2 3 root 3 4 upon 2 1 that is what 3 4 2 1 3 or 3 root 3 upon 4 3 root 3 plus 4 3 root 3 plus 4. Anybody doubt? Next 3 root 3 subsection 4 3 root 3 subsection 4. Multiplication this up and downs. Equation 3 subsection plus add and difference upon opposite 3 root 3 4 plus subsection 3 root 3 subsection 4. This cross multiplication 3 root 3 subsection 4 into 3 root 3 4 subsection E plus B equal A subsection B equal A square B square 3 root 3 square 4 square. Anybody doubt? Equal 3 9 into 3 4 12 into 3 can 12 to 3 16 upon 9 into 3 16. Anybody doubt? Equal 9 3 27 12 3 16 upon 16. Doubt? upon 16 equal 6, 7, 3, 1, 3, 4, 24, 3 upon 11. Answer. Any doubt? Question number 5. Solve 5 into cos 60. Cos square 60. Cos 60. 60. 1 upon 2 square. 4 into sec square 30. Sec 30. 2 on root 3 square. 10 45. 10 45 1. 1 square upon sin 30. Sin 30. 1 upon 2 square plus cos square 30. Cos 30. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2 square. Anyway doubt? Equal 5. 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 4 into 2 square 4. 3 square under root 3. 1 square 1 upon 1 square 1. 2 square 4. 3 square root 9 and 3 2 square 4 equal 5 1 5 upon 4 4 4 16 3 1 upon 4 1 plus 3 equal 5 upon 4 16 3 upon 4 upon 4. Any bit down? 4 4 1 equal 4 3 12 4 3 12 3 15 plus 3 4 64 12 equal 5 4 5 9 7 12 upon 12 2 7 1 6 12. Any doubt? This method same. Only 1 2 3 4 same. Only this table. This remember is table. Was that solve this question? Anyway, no doubt. Yes,